Nice product. Value of money. Nice fridge. If you are looking for small family in 5, just go for it. Good thing is it's as per 2020 rating. Nice product. More spacious, more efficient and elegant look with Camellia blue and also a horizontal bar. Very good refrigerator. Amazing color, racing and no noise. Only thing is wire length is very short. Good feature refrigerator. Value for money product. Product is as per promise and specifications. Cooling is mind-blowing and product is superb. Amazon replaced my prior delivery which has a dent in it. Thanks Amazon. Nice product, worth for money. After 1.5 months, I put a review for this product. Energy efficiency is too good. Compared to other brands, space is little bit small. Backside electric parts and complex connections of wires are visible. Have no cover on backside. Good. This Samsung fridge performance is very nice. Nice designed. Click link in description for more reviews.